everyone. I hope you're doing good. So today I'm going to be working with this canvas, and I don't have any inspirational photos yet, but I know I want to do like kind of two blue jays somehow on, I don't know whether like some pine branches or some birch branches or something like wintry scene. But yeah, so because this canvas, like, it's an odd shape. I didn't measure it, but it's like really narrow for how tall it is, so I wouldn't suggest something like this for like a commission piece as a portrait or anything. So I'm just gonna do one of my own paintings on this one to use it and make a cute little scene. So yeah, we'll get into that, and I hope you guys enjoy. guys, I hope you enjoyed that. So this is what our piece came out with, and I am in love with this piece. I just love the background. Like, I did a couple layers and then wash over or glaze over top of it, and then the forefront, and it just really gives it a lot of dimension. And I am so happy with the way my blue jays turned out. I just love them. And yeah, I'm just really happy. So I'll have to wait to clear coat it, but hopefully by the time this video is up, this should be on my online store, my website there. So it'll be linked below. And yeah, it's anyone's for the taking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.